please forgive me for the mistakes that I've made.
While celebrity chef Paula Deen fights to defend herself against discrimination charges, the lawsuit has taken a turn. In this federal case, a former employee says Deen and her brother discriminated and mistreated African-American employees at their Savannah restaurant. Atlanta civil rights attorney Lee Park says there's a setback to the suit. The plaintiff, Lisa Jackson, is white.
You can't bring a suit under federal law, Title VII, for race discrimination unless it's your race that's being discriminated against.
Jackson also claims sexual harassment crossing all races. Yet the same year she filed these charges, she also sent Paula a personal letter thanking her for the opportunities she and her brother had given her. Park says this piece of evidence is another problem for Jackson.
Well, it would be very important in these types of cases on the issue of damages.
After leaving the restaurant in Savannah, Jackson, who's now suing Paula Deen, became general manager of Cafe Intermezzo here at this location on Peachtree Street. Her former boss, Yakub Alutash, told me when Jackson worked at the cafe, she lied about him to get him fired.
She wanted to get to the top, and she didn't care who was in front. And she lied about daily things.
But Park says this is just coming from one side.
Well, that's your perfect he said, she said piece of evidence. He got fired. He blames her. I'm sure she has her side of the story. That's the kind of evidence that might persuade a juror, but it's not going to have anything to do with what you're talking about, the motion to dismiss. That's just not going to play into it.
We called the restaurant Mary Mac's Tea House, where Jackson now works, to see if she would like to comment on this. But her lawyer says due to a court gag order, she cannot discuss it. For Channel 2 Action News, I'm Stephanie DiNardo.